A couple of principles might be helpful. One is that we need to be comfortable with silence. Actually, silence is not a bad thing. When people are silent, that means they are thinking. As a facilitator, we can strategically use silence to create the space that people need to think and also to emphasize on certain important topics. To have a co-facilitators so that when the silence seems to be very uncomfortable, you really want to get the idea going, then you may want to strike a conversation with the co-facilitator. What do you think about this? Any examples can you think of? By doing so, just initiating conversation with the co-facilitators, it may have given people enough time to think about the topic, and also it can ease the tension or having to come up with really smart answers. Therefore, people are more willing to participate. And another method I like is actually just call on individual's name. There's nothing wrong facilitators having that power, call on certain individuals. Hey, you have been experiencing this kind of issues a lot. What are your takes on this? Any examples? And so forth. Give yourself power to call on people's names so that they can mobilize, but in the end, they are happy to contribute.